السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الله 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 Allah. I wake with the light of the dawn, whispering with joy in my heart and with praise on my lips. In stillness and twilight I stand before you, bowing, prostrating, I call Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, 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 Allah. My soul knew and loved you before I was born, and without your mercy is lost and forlorn. Wherever I may wander down the pathways of life, my cry to you, oh my Lord, is guide me to light. Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, 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 Allah. Through all fear and helplessness to you do I turn, for your breath of healing and peace do I yearn. For all that I have, my Lord, all that I am is from you, is for you, to you will return. Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, 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 Allah. Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, Ya Hayyu, Ya Qayyum. Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, 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 Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.